Hello and welcome to the Basic Sending Content series of AgentMight, a service designed to engage and empower the end user with real-time, relevant information. This session is part of our Basic How-To series. So we start with learning how to send a simple document URL to users. First, we navigate to Content, the interface which lets us send content to the predefined dashboards. As you can see, we have multiple tabs here, multiple ways to send content to the dashboards. Form view allows us to send only simple messages, whereas the web and mobile views allow us to send all types of messages to web-based dashboards and mobile-based dashboards. So let's choose Web Dashboard. So I'm going to select a cluster. Cluster is another name for a previously designed dashboard that we now want to send some content to. So let's choose this cluster. And you can see how the various sections and panels in this cluster have populated. In the left region here, we have a panel called WFM Documents. And I want to send a document to this panel. So I'm going to click on it. And this pop-up opens that allows me to add a record manually. So as you can see, it's asking me to enter URL. And I have a URL in my clipboard that I'm going to just paste there. And it's asking me for a document name. And I will give it the name Security Refresher. And there you go, I'll click Add Record. And the record shows up here. The next thing I want to do is I want to select the target audience for this document. As in, who do I want to send this document to? And as you can see, there are several options I've got. So I'm going to select a user group. We have other fields that we can tweak here, such as start time and expiration. And that sets the length of time this document will be available to show to the end user. The default value is 24 hours, and I'm going to leave it like that. Priority lets us choose what we want to happen to catch the eye of the end user when the notification arrives in their dashboard. And I want to choose change panel header color and also flash it. We can also set an alert to really bring this to the user's attention. So let's say a new security document awaits. And that's it. I'm going to hit send content. There you go. It gives a visual feedback that the content was sent. Now let's see what we accomplished. This is the interface that the users see on their side. And as you see, the alert I just created has popped up here, catching the user's attention. And the panel is also flashing and has changed color like we told it to. I'm going to open that. And here's the document I sent. Now I did send a URL, but we only see the document name. And that's because that's how the panel was designed. It was designed to hide the URL column. But when I click on it, you see this document opens up here in this floating window. And now I can read this security document right in this window. So that's how to send a document using AgentMight interface. Next, we are going to show you how to send messages. So join us for our next video in the Basic How-To series of AgentMight.